All right, y'all. So we are going to talk about 5 insider travel hacks that seasoned professional travelers know about, but most of the lay people do not. And guess what? The airlines, they don't want you to know either. But I'm here to share it. Hack number 1. Did you know that there was a such thing as hidden city ticketing? That's where you book travel or book air that actually has a layover in your destination. Now, you do have to be careful when you're using this method because it's called hidden for a reason. So if you use this method, you got to make sure to not check your bags, okay? You don't check your bags, and then you have to understand that there are risks when you do this. The airline could cancel the rest of your itinerary even when using this. So be careful when you're using this. However, it's a strategy that some seasoned travelers use and they end up saving hundreds of dollars and they get on less crowded planes. And who wouldn't want that? Be on a plane that's not as crowded. Tip number 2, fly during off-peak hours. You have a better chance at upgrades and it's a much quieter flight. So airlines usually overbook. We've all seen them offering people money to be bumped and allow them to give them so much money to be bumped. Well, if you fly like midday or late at night, you use those departures, then you usually have more seating available. And the gate agents are usually more likely to give you a complimentary upgrade, and they especially do this kind of thing when you're polite and well dressed. Like if you're dressed like a person that's a business person or and your personality is just bubbly and not belligerent, then you are more likely to get an upgrade. And guess what? They have the ability to do it because of the time you're flying. Tip number 4, book flights with an airline that you do not have status with. I know, I know. Sounds crazy, counterintuitive. But what I learned is that if you're not loyal to the one airline, you might actually receive more love as a new person traveling with them because what? They want to woo you. They want you to change your loyalty over to them. So some carriers offer complimentary perks to attract first-time flyers, especially on lightly booked flights. And you can use this as leverage by creating a free frequent flyer account and let them start sending you some different perks and some different reasons to fly with them. And the final one is tip number 5. Tip number 5, gift cards, handwritten little notes, just to let the crew know that you appreciate them and what they do. These people work hard to deal with the different attitudes, to actually get us all seated and situated, to make sure that we're all taken care of while we're on our flights. They do quite a bit. So, it's not a myth or a secret, but if you do something like write a small thank you note or give them a small like Starbucks gift card, $5, Starbucks gift card, $5, it could change the game on how your flight experience goes, period. Okay? I'm telling you from experience. I give cash, but I'm telling you from experience that it changes the game on how you are, one, treated on that flight, and two, taken care of on that flight. Try it. You'll thank me later.
I want to thank you for guys for joining me. I appreciate it 100%. And thank you for staying to the end. Now, like and subscribe if you want to get more tips and tricks on how to travel and travel well. I'm Tanya of Deluxe Code Travel, and I will see you in my next video.